This is why niche is so important. The less you have, the more predictable your audience is. The more you can understand who your target audience is so that you can create value. Why does this even matter when it comes to people not responding to your price, your proposal? Because you have not created enough value where they feel like they need to act now. If I ran up to you and said, man, I got a tractor, I'm gonna sell you for $40. You're like, what am I gonna do with a tractor? I live in the city. To a farmer, he like, I'll take 5 of them. So understanding who you're selling to is way more important than even understanding what you're selling. You have to know what your target audience values so that you can build a brand. And this is things that I teach in the master course, so that you can build a brand that is extremely valuable to them.